guys, Steph here. What we got for you today? Haha, look at that gorgeous pen. Okay, what we've got for you here is a Parker Slimfold Duofold Junior fountain pen from circa around about the 1930s. Now, for you people that watch regular or don't watch, I've still got lots and lots of pens in stock from previous pen hauls. This is one that I recently found in my stock. Unfortunately, it was missing the clip. And then I remembered, oh, hold on, I said to myself, in a recent pen haul, I had a burgundy one. This one is missing the nib. It's got a, yeah, it's got an engraved name there, but it had a clip. So what I did is I took the clip off the burgundy one and popped it on this green one so that we could make one pen. And what I'll do is try and find a clip and a nib for the other one, and that'll become available sometime in the future. But this one, fully restored, new sack, everything's been cleaned and polished, looking for a new home. Not only is this one looking for a new home, if you look at my previous video, I showed you quite a few gorgeous pens that were also looking for homes, and still are. I think there's only 3 pens that were sold from that particular video. So if you're interested, get in touch. So as I say, a Parker Streamline Duofold Junior, the size of it capped 119mm capped around the barrel. It's a lovely chunky 12mm in diameter. It has this black blind cap to the end here, which if we unscrew it for you, there you go, you can see it's a button filler. So let's screw that back on for you. To the very top of the cap there, well, not to the top, to the bottom, you can see we've got these 2 quite thin cap bands. To the top of the cap we've got the very recognisable Parker ball clip, and to the very top we've got this black cap stud. As you can see, it was rather tired when I found it. Discoloured top, discoloured bottom, everything. Now, as you can see, it's a stunning pen, and somebody will enjoy it for many years to come. The barrel imprint, a little bit on the worn side, but if I can find it for you, always difficult working over the camera. I think there it is. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it reads GOS Parker. To the middle it's got Parker Duofold, and then to the end it's got registered trademark. Absolutely gorgeous, and a very sought after and popular fountain pen. Let's take the cap off for you. Let's give it a couple of the customary twirls so you can see different angles. Pop the cap down, and let's take you up to the section there. You can see it's got the very recognisable slightly concaved section, and it's got this lovely large nib. The imprint on the nib is Parker Duofold 14 karat pen, and then it's got the letter N to the bottom, which some of you may know, some of you may not, is for the New Haven factory. There's a sideways view, the feed underneath, quite a recognisable standard Parker ladder feed, all lovely and clean as always, and again ready to go, ready for somebody to enjoy for many years to come. As I said previously, it's a button filler, which means that we unscrew the blind cap, pop the nib and a little bit of the section in the nib, and we press down onto the button, and in turn that fills the sack inside the pen. Because I've put a new sack in it, because it's going to be, well, we're going to be looking for a new home for it, I'm not going to fill it, but let's just see how it writes. Let's just do a little dip test. So let's dip it in our ink. There we go. And what we have, as I said, is a Parker. Streamline Duofold, and the size that we've told you, it's a junior, and it's from circa 1930s. Let's give it another little dip. Writing very nicely indeed. They're not actually renowned for having flexy nibs, but there we go. If I put a little bit of pressure on the downward stroke, it does have a little bit of flex. So enough flex to actually give it a little bit of variation in the line. I would say it's writing with a fine line, but again, with a little bit of pressure on the downward stroke, you can see we're getting a lovely line variation. So yes, it has a tad bit of flex in the nib. So we'll clean that nib after the video, and there we have it. Okay, a lovely, stunning fountain pen that is available, looking for a new home, along with some lovely pens from my previous video, so go and take a look. Parker Streamline Duofold Junior in green and black marbling. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people out there. Don't forget, don't be shy, leave a comment below, give the video a thumbs up, don't be shy, just down there, press that thumbs up video, and don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this lovely pen, bye bye for now.